We're going to walk through this junkyard we just found by chance from a gentleman at a gas station. We were just driving around and he told us to come check this place out. And it has a lot of stuff, so we might be here for a minute. We're in the truck department right now, so we're going to see what's over in here. Let's take a walk through here. Boy, he sure stacks them up. Look at this. Sure, there's going to be lots of parts out here. You got vans stacked up. Some Dodges. Let's see what these are. They're crushed, of course, but they're cool to see. I don't think the rear ends go on this side of the car. They usually go under it. Oh, look at this guy. Huh. We got the little pickup truck one here, and a small cab, and then what is it, a Scout 2 model? Look at this one. Oh, man. This one's in the ground, people. Look at that. Sorry, my finger was in the way there for a minute. It's got a 4-speed. Look at this thing. And then we got the Travelall with one on top. Man. I guess they're going to keep the room compact so they can put as many in here as they can, but boy, let's go back over this way. That is a cute little Scout, though. All-wheel drive. We got trailers full of rims, people. Look at those. Wow. I wonder if those are maybe all in the Ford department, because these are mostly all Ford trucks right here. We have an old cab that's just lingering on the top of the building over here. Not sure if OSHA would approve of that, but we're going to go with it anyway. Looks like we've got to circle the truck department. I'll come back in a second when we find some old car stuff. Cadillacs. Coupe de Ville. Yeah, that is actually a Coupe de Ville, a two-door. I think it was a 64 maybe? I'm not sure what year that is, but we're over here in the Cadillacs, standing next to some pre-stacked Cadillacs. We're going to walk down this direction over here. We just came from that direction. And boy, look at them all. Stacked up here. Eldorado, that one's had way too much rust. Just so you know, there's rust in the east. Well, there's a find. Look at that. Hubcaps, anyone? Dog dish, poverty dash, what are they called? Those are awesome. Oh, that bad boy. Wing tips out. Man, that's like a... That shouldn't be right there. That should definitely have been restored sometime. Little missiles. Little bullet shells or whatever it looks like. Boy, these cars are... Motors still in it. Look at that. terrifying, but awesome. I think we're in the Cadillac section, because I was thinking we would eventually run out of Cadillacs, but boy, there's a lot of them. Let's go over here. We'll check this section next. We're on round 2 here with the Monte Carlos. It's nice to see so many parts, but boy, they don't make anything but 2 doors in these things, so it just makes you wonder why, you know. And we've got a bunch of stuff over here. You gotta kind of dig in. It is a nice pretty day. Not too hot. Birds are chirping. They even mowed the grass for us, y'all. This is great. Some of this stuff has really been here for a long time. I mean, I don't want that to get messed up. That's too nice. Far too nice of a piece to be sitting there like that. So we're going to wrap around the back here, see if we can find some Mopars. You know, these are coming up. People are starting to really like this model. And I can't believe there's like at least 10 of them in here, 12 of them. This is just 2 of the rows. There's a bunch of rows over here. But what I really wanted to try to go down was this row right over here. I'm going to go under the camper shell and see what we can find over here. Because that, I think, is a 442. That's a 4-door Malibu, I think. There's a 71 or 72, maybe 73 Chevelle. A 4-door one behind it. Let's just pan over this situation here. We got another El Camino here. And another Chevelle. Hood's off. Man. Mm-hmm. Way out. Oh. Look at that little beauty right there. Let's go over that way. See what we can find. Okay, so we're taking bridges left and right here. Up and under. Over and under, however you want to do it. I think it's a 66 or 7. Here's the red one we just took a shot from way over there. Another El Camino. Look at that. Too many of these two-door Malibus just sitting here. This is insane. Like, I don't know why nobody got these over the years, but why are they still all just sitting here? Look at this. This is all just 68 through 72 Chevelles. And of course there's a wagon. But we're gonna get over here because there's so much more to look at. Bel Air or Biscayne. It's a Biscayne.
It's almost disturbing how many cars are out here stacked on one another.
Yeah, but we've found them, so we'll see what we can find out here. Heck, these are even collectible. All these Monte Carlos, they don't make anything but a two-door in those, so rear-wheel drive, two-door, maybe front-wheel drive. I don't know what they did on these. I think they did with both, but yeah, those will be collectible. Look at that. The Ventura. And a Skylark. Ah, cool. I mean, the parts that are here are pretty well okay. I mean, I see a lot of, you know, busted up stuff, but for the most part, it's not bad. That's another little building there that's got stuff in it. Just little knick-knack things here and there. So let's see what's over here.